This product demonstration by DuBois Chemicals illustrates the application of SP Remover on clean and powder-coated steel surfaces. SP Remover is an innovative cleaner designed to remove graffiti and other markings, including spray paint, permanent marker, printing inks, and even waxes, glues, and injection molding resins. SP Remover's formula provides for a convenient application, requiring minimal time or product. Just apply to the surface. And in 5 minutes or less, wipe or rinse to reveal your clean surface. Like new. SP Remover's special formulation eliminates imperfections from powder-coated surfaces without damaging the coating. SP Remover is compatible with most surfaces and has a high flash point for user safety. Contact us for more information at www.duboischemicals.com.